Hello everybody, morning, rise and shine. Today we will explore the Sapa village and the market. The market opened early in the morning around 5 a.m. The sunrise, which is around 6 a.m., then all the shops should be almost open already. You can find a lot of varieties of local product, vegetables, seafood, and poultry. Do bring cash if you gonna shop in the market. They only accept cash, and when you receive change, do check properly as the notes are quite similar in color. You can buy some fruits, fresh fruits from the market, and then bring back to the hotel and eat it. As compared to Hanoi, the market price here you cannot bargain a lot. It's quite similar all around in the market. Sapa is also famous for their salmon fish and sturgeon fish, so you can try it in the town area. They serve hot pot, recommended. Do also check out level 2 in the market. There's a lot of handicraft, handmade bags and clothes for you to shop and bring back as souvenir. The price is around 20,000 to 50,000 dong, depending on the design and stitches. You will see a lot of children holding on to all these handmade product on the street and trying to sell. Once you buy from one of them, the rest of the children will crowd around you and ask to buy more. So there's plenty of tribe people, more than 10 types, but the common types are the Zhao and Hmong people. Those that you see on the streets wearing the black color one, they are the Hmong. Those that are wearing the red color hats, they are the Zhao, red Zhao. Now we're gonna head down to the local village for a 3-hour trek. We found our guide through a local shop. She recommended her sister. Lady over here wearing the black dress are the Hmong people. You are expected to pay around 40 to 50 USD dollar per pax. This is the weed plant, marijuana. The Hmong and Zhao people use the marijuana fiber to make their clothing. You can see from the video, they are using the fiber to make their traditional clothes. The color from the clothing is usually a dye, indigo dye from the flower and the plants. The design and color choice for Hmong and Zhao people are different. You can check it around. The weather here is not predictable, so prepare to bring a wet boots. If you don't have, you can rent it or get it from the shop. The lady in front wearing the red hat, she's the Red Zhao people. She's our guide of the day.
If you should stay for all house and before.
You can also book the tour from third-party platform or the tour agency.
Baby children go home. Go back home. You come back Sapa morning
Walk inside.
一个阿塞，很漂亮。来，悠悠呢？
We are almost there. So first stop, we're gonna pass by the Hmong people, followed by Tavan and then Redzau. So there will be 3 stops. The Hmong people will stay in the Lao Chai village and the Redzau people will stay in the Tavan village. If you want to be immersive with the local experience, you can also opt for the homestay. It's a 2-day 1 night, which you can experience the local food, culture and the activities. As you can see, this is an impromptu plan, so there will be lesser crowd and we start the trek around afternoon, but normally the trek will start in the morning, 7 to 8 o'clock. Along the way, you can hardly see any restroom or vendor that sell foods, so recommended to bring your own snacks and some drinks, sufficient drinks for your whole trekking trips.
Wow, so nice.
And we are here in the Lao Chai Hmong village. Finally, we completed the trek in 4 hours and the tour guide will call a taxi to send back to your hotel front door. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.